I start?
Yeah.
Hi guys, it's Shyna. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm at Dollar Tree and I'm gonna be searching for fidgets. I have my money here, and then I'm gonna be buying some fidgets. So let's go.
Careful.
Here, this way. Just saw it. Let me look. So this way here. Let's go this way. Okay, let's look for a fidget first again. Okay, I want this wacky track fidget. Now let's look for another fidget.
We used to have welcome back or something like that, but I don't think so.
Okay, I want this, the fidget the snapper. It's so cute, it's a cupcake. Okay, let's find another one. Oh, this one's cool. Looks like the earth. It's like green and blue. So let's go this way. There's some more fidgets.
Don't go within people. Go take another way.
Okay. Like this way? Okay.
Alright. Did you see 3? 3 or 4?
Careful. Slow. Okay, it's been long. Let's make it quick. It's getting a long video. Just go around. Hold that. Just go around. Always go around. Okay. What is wrong?
Oh, it's this way. Forgot.
Sit in like a minute. Finish in a minute. Just bring it in. And go slow so you don't knock people.
Okay. Let's look. Oh look! I found some squishies. There's a grape. I found a grape Orby squishy and a strawberry squishy. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Bye.